Hello friends. So, is your engine revving too high at idle? Or maybe your car is idling rough or even stalling unexpectedly? Alright, so what is P0509? The P0509 code stands for Idle Air Control System High Circuit. This means the engine control module, or ECM, has detected excessively high voltage in the idle air control system. Usually the problem is caused by a stuck-open IAC valve, shorted wiring, or sometimes an ECM failure. Now, ignoring this code can lead to rough idling, excessive fuel consumption, and even potential damage to the engine. Some common symptoms of P0509 include high or erratic idle RPM, the engine revving up on its own, the check engine light coming on, poor fuel efficiency, and possible engine stalling or hesitation. If your car is showing these signs, it's definitely time to diagnose and fix the issue. So where do you find the parts involved with P0509? To diagnose this code, you'll want to locate these key components. First, the idle air control, or IAC valve. This is usually mounted on the throttle body right near the intake manifold. Next, check the throttle body and the throttle position sensor, or TPS. Both are attached to the intake manifold, with the TPS mounted right on the throttle body. Then, there's the mass airflow, or MAF sensor, which you'll find between the air filter and the throttle body. And don't forget the ECM and IAC wiring connections. Make sure to check the wiring harness connections to both the ECM and the IAC valve. Here's a quick tip. A faulty or stuck IAC valve is the most common cause of P0509. Alright, so let's talk about some of the most common causes of that P0509 code. First up, a faulty idle air control valve. If it's stuck open, it can let in way too much air, which raises your idle RPM. Next, shorted IAC wiring or connectors can be a culprit, since damaged wires might send excessive voltage signals to the ECM. Then there's a dirty throttle body. Carbon buildup can mess with airflow and idle control. Sometimes, though it's pretty rare, the ECM itself can malfunction and mismanage idle control. And finally, vacuum leaks, which allow extra air into the system, can cause your engine to idle erratically. So, how do you fix the P0509 code? Well, let's walk through the steps. First, use an OBD2 scanner to confirm the P0509 code is present. Second, inspect the idle air control valve. Remove it and clean it up with some throttle body cleaner. Third, check the IAC wiring and connectors, look for any damaged or loose wiring, and repair it if needed. Fourth, clean the throttle body itself. Again, use throttle body cleaner to get rid of any carbon buildup. Fifth, test both the throttle position sensor and the MAF sensor, and if either one is faulty, go ahead and replace them. And finally, reset the code and take your car for a test drive to see if the issue comes back. The P0509 code usually pops up because of a faulty IAC valve shorted wiring or throttle body issues. Fixing it will restore a stable idle RPM, help improve your fuel efficiency, and prevent any further engine problems down the road. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0264 Cylinder 2, Injector Circuit Low, and P0265, Cylinder 2 Injector Circuit High. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.